Southgate men targeted casino winners in highway robberies, a federal case outline. Two men from Southgate, California, Juan Gabriel Gonzalez, age 22, and Dereck Nathan Lopez, age 21, are facing serious federal charges. They stand accused of orchestrating a series of brazen highway robberies targeting individuals leaving casinos in Los Angeles County. An indictment has been unsealed, revealing disturbing details of these alleged crimes. Give a like and subscribe. Leave a comment. The suspects allegedly stalked their victims, carefully selecting individuals who appeared to have won significant sums of money at local casinos. They focused their attention on patrons exiting several establishments. These included the Park West Bicycle Casino in Bell Gardens, the Hustler Casino in Gardena, the Commerce Casino and Hotel in Commerce, and the Gardens Casino in Hawaiian Gardens. After identifying a target, the suspects would follow the victim's vehicle. They then ambushed them on highways and off-ramps. The indictment alleges the use of firearms to smash car windows. The robbers then demanded cash or casino chips from their terrified victims. The alleged criminal activity spanned from May to December of 2023. During this period, at least 15 robberies are believed to have been committed. On some nights, the suspects allegedly carried out multiple robberies. The total value of cash, chips, and property stolen is estimated to be at least $274,600. The indictment outlines several specific instances of these highway robberies. In May 2023, a victim was forced to stop on an I-710 off-ramp. Approximately $60,000 in casino winnings was stolen. In June 2023, another incident occurred on an I-710 off-ramp. This time, two victims were boxed in. The robbers made off with around $130,000. One particularly disturbing incident involved the Commerce Casino and Hotel. Dereck Lopez allegedly gambled alongside a victim identified as HK. He even celebrated a winning bet with her. Later, he allegedly robbed her of approximately $21,000 on an I-10 off-ramp. Both Juan Gabriel Gonzalez and Dereck Nathan Lopez face multiple serious charges. These include multiple counts of interference or attempted interference with commerce by robbery, also known as the Hobbs Act. They are also charged with one count of Hobbs Act conspiracy. Furthermore, they face multiple counts of using firearms during a crime of violence. Dereck Lopez faces an additional charge. He is accused of being a felon in possession of firearms and ammunition. In December 2023, authorities found 3 firearms and more than 30 rounds of ammunition at his home. Lopez has a prior conviction for grand theft in November 2023. If convicted on all charges, both men could face life in prison. Gonzalez has already made his initial court appearance. Lopez is currently in state custody and is expected to appear in federal court soon. At this time, Gonzalez's attorney has not responded to requests for comment. It remains unclear whether Lopez has retained legal counsel. The investigation has revealed additional concerning details. Lopez, Gonzalez, and their alleged conspirators are accused of using driver's licenses in other people's names. The victims were often targeted based on their ethnicity. Specifically, the indictment alleges that the group targeted Asian victims who appeared to win or cash in a large number of chips. In one incident on May 13, 2023, Lopez allegedly informed his co-conspirators about a victim, YW, who had a substantial amount of money in casino chips. The conspirators then forced YW to stop and stole approximately $60,000. This case highlights the need for increased vigilance around casinos. Law enforcement agencies should consider increased patrols and surveillance in areas surrounding these establishments. Collaboration between casinos and law enforcement is crucial to prevent future incidents. Casinos should be encouraged to enhance their security measures. This includes improved surveillance systems and increased security personnel in parking areas. They should also educate their patrons about the risks of being targeted after leaving the casino with large sums of money. Casino patrons should be aware of the potential dangers of carrying large amounts of cash or chips. Consider alternative methods of transporting winnings, such as requesting a check from the casino. Be aware of your surroundings and avoid displaying large amounts of cash. If you believe you are being followed, contact law enforcement immediately. Vary your route home and avoid driving alone if possible. Consider traveling in a group or requesting a security escort from the casino. Residents living near casinos should also be aware of the potential for increased crime. Report any suspicious activity to law enforcement. Be vigilant and take precautions to protect your property. This case serves as a reminder that criminals may target individuals who are perceived to be vulnerable. By working together, law enforcement, casinos, and local residents can help to prevent future incidents. The charges against Gonzalez and Lopez are based on federal law, specifically the Hobbs Act. This act prohibits interference with interstate commerce by robbery or extortion. The use of firearms during the commission of a crime of violence carries significant mandatory minimum sentences. The government will need to prove beyond a reasonable doubt that Gonzalez and Lopez conspired to commit these robberies. They must also prove that they used firearms during the commission of these crimes. The use of false identification and the targeting of specific ethnic groups may be considered as aggravating factors during sentencing. The case against Juan Gabriel Gonzalez and Dereck Nathan Lopez is a stark reminder of the dangers that can lurk in the shadows of seemingly harmless entertainment. The alleged targeting of casino winners and the brazen execution of highway robberies have shaken the community. As the legal proceedings unfold, it is crucial to remember the victims of these crimes and to work towards preventing similar incidents in the future. This case underscores the importance of vigilance, collaboration, and a commitment to justice.